everybody, welcome to our celebration assembly. It's been another fantastic week with lots of hard work and lots of children showing our values. So now we're going to tell you all about who's won the certificates in each class.
Achievers in reception this week are: reading awards go to Mate Major for working from home and Noah Malloy from working at school. Fantastic reading to both boys. Our head teachers awards go to Isabel Robbins for counting in twos from 2 to 20 while riding her bike, and for Isla Wood for being kind to her friends. And also to Atalia Smith for excellent work at home, and to Evie O'Neill for super money work this week and creating a great roll shop.
Good morning reception, hope everybody is well. Really looking forward to seeing you, keep up the good work, well done.
Hi reception, keep up the good work at home and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm going to start with Year 1. So in Year 1 this week, our readers of the week are Pip Hepplewhite for a super effort with reading, Nathan Moyle for always reading regularly at home, and Oscar Udall for a brilliant comprehension. Our handwriters this week are Cody for trying hard to improve his handwriting, Chanru for a great job forming his letters, and Seb Atkin for super handwriting this week. Smarty Pants Awards go to Faith Sterland for putting in 100% effort with her maths, Louis Schultz for always putting 100% effort into his maths, and Theo Rita for showing resilience with some really tricky maths. And our Head Teachers Awards go to Elsa Flounders for showing resilience in her writing, Imogen Twizel for great work answering comprehension questions, and Seb Atkin for showing resilience, continuing to work even though he moved house through this week. Well done everyone.
Congratulations to everybody who earned certificates this week. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.
Awards in Year 2 this week go to James Halliwell for a fabulous piece of writing on his dream label, and also to Adam Hindmarsh for working really hard with his writing even though he finds it challenging. Well done boys. Fabulous readers in Year 2 this week are Freya Cowling for making good progress with her reading, and Aidan Smith for reading on Oxford Hours and moving through the levels. Beautiful handwriting this week is Melanie McNulty for always showing beautiful handwriting in all her lessons, and Augustin Major for trying really hard with his handwriting at home. Smarty Pants Awards in Maths go to Nancy Hill for excellent work on money, and Amelie Mount for using real coins to help her with learning about her money. And Head Teachers Awards this week go to Isla Harley for always trying to do her best in every single thing she does, and Kayla Russell for always working hard at all the activities on Shorby. Fabulous everybody, well done!
Hello Year 2, I've missed seeing you all. I have been looking at all the hard work you've been doing. Well done. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Okay, so our certificate winners in Year 3 this week are Hobble, Cassie Hyde and Esme Walters because they did a gorgeous poem about self-esteem. Our readers of the week are Riley Phillips and Amelia Exton for excellent effort in her reading comprehension. Handwriters of the week this week are Leon and Cassie Hyde. Our Smarty Pants Awards go to Rain Hunter for excellent confidence when working out fractions of amounts, and Jacob Gardner, and Quinn Russell for amazing work on non-unit fractions. And our Head Teacher's Award goes to Harry Cole for always having a positive mindset, and Paige Anderson for reading imaginative answers in English. Well done.
Hi everyone, you're all doing so amazingly well. I'm so proud of you all, absolute superstars. Can't wait till we're all back together. Miss you!
Hi guys, I hope you've had a lovely week off for half term. It's lovely to have you all back, and we know now that it's not too long at all till we're all back together in the classroom. So keep going, keep being amazing, and see you really soon.
And these are our award winners in Year 4. So the Pobble Award this week goes to Lucy Robbins and Annabelle Gardner. Both of them wrote a fantastic postcard from Disney World, and they do wish it was a real one. Our readers of the week are Taylor Harris for working so hard to ensure he is making good progress with his reading, and Connie Bellis for levelling up on Reading Plus. Handwriters are Olivia Holliday and Katie Ramsey, both of them for always ensuring their work is beautifully presented. Smarty Pants go to Lexi Taylor Lowry and Lauren Halliwell for fantastic work on converting measures. And the Head Teachers Awards go to Megan Cowling for a great first week back in school, and Owen Balharry for an excellent attitude towards his remote learning. Very impressive. Well done to all of you.
It's been really hard to make a decision this week on who's getting what certificate. We really miss you, we can't wait to see you. Come back to school, you've worked so hard. We'll see you soon, bye!
Our awards in Year 5 this week go to Josiah Burden for always trying really hard to produce effective writing on Pobble. Our reading awards go to Hannah Hyde for an inspiring love of reading whilst enjoying The Hobbit, and to Jay Gorham for being an enthusiastic reader. Handwriting awards this week go to Charlotte Dent for her beautiful handwriting and presentation, and to Elsa Love for always having beautiful presentation. Smarty Pants awards this week go to Oliver Brown for showing resilience in his maths, and to Max Humphrey for showing resilience in his maths. Head Teachers Awards this week, Kyle Anderson for always trying his best in every single lesson, and Isabel Rowe for always producing quality work. Fantastic. Well done everybody.
Well done everybody who's won an award this week, everybody at home, everybody in school, you're all working really hard, so just keep it up, keep going just a little while longer.
Our awards in the EMS this week go to Cody Walton for adding adjectives to his sentences, so fantastic Pobble work, Cody. For Jessica Lake for being a fabulous reader and reading her book every single day. To Finley Lation for accurate calculations. And our Head Teachers Award goes to Chloe Close for a great first week back at school. Well done everybody.
Well done EMS, we're really missing you all. Congratulations to those who have won a certificate this week, thanks for trying so hard. And we're really looking forward to having everybody back in school soon. Well done.
Okay, so our Year 6 award winners are for Pobble, Jacob Lawson and Ashton Lennox for their excellent efforts when writing a letter. Brilliant vocabulary was used. Our Smarty Pants award winners are Sydney Egan McGarvey for super accurate maths this week, and Ollie Murray for an increased effort in calculations and maths this week. Keep it up. And our Head Teachers Awards this week go to Michael Ralph for an amazing week, being mature and kind and calm, and Mr. Tingle's really proud of him. And Kaylee West for trying her very best with her online learning. Newton Pinto for an excellent week online, all work uploaded to a brilliant standard. And Luke Casey for an excellent standard of online learning, all well presented as always. well done, and well done to everybody.
Hello everyone, great news this week. It looks like we're all going to be back in school before too long. We're really pleased with everybody who's uploaded their work this week, and those people who have been working at school have done some really excellent work too. You've all been absolutely amazing over the last few weeks, and we're so proud of you and how well you've all done. Keep smiling, be the best you can be, and we're all going to see each other very soon.